Now, Scotland's most senior judge says it's unlikely we'll ever see criminal trials shown live as the courts prepare to begin streaming appeal hearings. The Lord Justice General, Lord Pentland, believes concerns about the sensitivity of witnesses giving evidence prevents full-scale American-style court TV happening here. But he's keen to explore widening the scope of proceedings being available to watch as part of making the justice system more open. Here's our senior reporter, Gordon Cree.
Court number 2 in Parliament House has been hearing cases since the 1800s, but now there's a quiet revolution here. Cameras have been installed and a control desk set up, which will see business streamed live online.
Most criminal appeals will now be live streamed, just as we have been live streaming most civil appeals. And what we found with the civil appeals is that the level of public appetite and interest has been substantial, sometimes with thousands of people watching the hearing as it unfolds.
The first this Friday involves a case which has been postponed several times, where a woman's accused of offences against children. A sheriff recently allowed the time limit on it to be extended, giving the Crown until the autumn to bring a prosecution. What we'll see this week is the accused's lawyers challenging that decision.
Of course, the vast majority of court hearings in Scotland are held in public. You can come and sit in the gallery and watch them. But what this streaming service will do is open that up to a much wider audience.
It's a positive move. It gives transparency to the criminal procedure, allows people who ordinarily might not attend a court to view it, and gives the opportunity for greater understanding of the criminal justice system.
Quite diabolical atrocity.
As well as civil cases, Scotland has led the way in the UK by routinely allowing criminal sentencing to be filmed for same-day news broadcasts. A number of full criminal trials have also been recorded for documentaries.
Would you show that to the jury, Mr. Simpson, in that manner? Thank you.
But it's a far cry from the United States, where the O.J. Simpson murder case was played out on TV as it happened.
Have you reached a verdict in this case?
And just this month, rapist Nicholas Rossi, who was extradited from Scotland to Utah, was convicted on camera.
To count 1, rape, guilty.
But don't expect to see full trials live in this country.
I think it is unlikely that we will ever broadcast evidence given by witnesses, because there are enormous challenges in that in view of the sensitivity of the process. What we are interested in doing is identifying particular aspects of a case which may be suitable for broadcasting, which are not currently broadcast.
The courts say safeguards will be in place to prevent victims of sexual crimes being identified, and anyone misusing footage could themselves face criminal charges. Gordon Cree, STV News, Edinburgh.